This exhibition brings together under one roof the full portfolio of what the KUKA Group represents. KUKA's industrial robotics and autonomous mobile platforms, alongside Swisslog's intelligent intralogistic and warehouse automation solution. It is a demonstration of our commitment to delivering end-to-end automation to the manufacturing industry across the region.
By combining fixed robotics with mobile automation, we eliminate the bottleneck of rigid conveyor system, allowing factory to move material dynamically and adapt to high-mix production.
A visitor who walks through this booth witnesses a product being manufactured with precision by a KUKA industrial robots, transported autonomously via mobile platforms and managed through Swisslog's intelligent warehouse software.
Together, we cover the entire automation value chain. We provide the smart warehouse and automated storage and retrieval system that manage the inventory. It means customers can look to one group to automate their entire business from production to shipping. The system can adapt and grow seamlessly without disrupting their live operations.
Our system partners are integral components of the KUKA Group ecosystem. They bring specialized application expertise in areas such as automated palletizing, conveyor systems, and precision welding. That complements and extends the group's core robotics and software capabilities.
Palletizing requires continuously heavy and repetitive lifting, which leads to high worker fatigue and labor turnover. Our AUTOMEX system takes over these demanding tasks, allow factories to maintain continuously 24/7 output safely while significantly reduce operation costs.
Many welding processes are highly depends on the operator's skill and the consistency. Our robotic welding system, integrated with a high-performance welding power source and laser tracking system, is to deliver precise and accurate welding path to ensure the consistency, welding quality across every single of the production cycle.
This cooperation ensures that the customer get the complete, customized, and fully integrated solution backed by strong local support.
Our presence at METALTECH 2026 carries a clear and deliberate message. KUKA Group is committed to leading the automation transformation of manufacturing and logistics across the Asia-Pacific region. This is not merely a product exhibition, it is a statement of intent.
Making automation easier.